Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made these absolutely delicious mini salmon and herb quiches. You'll want to start off by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Now here I have 2 green onions that I'm chopping up very finely. Then we're going to add those to a bowl and set those over to the side. Now I have a handful of parsley here that I'm chopping up. Now make sure that you chop up about 1 tablespoon of parsley. Now here I have 1 puff pastry that I thawed out. I did get these puff pastries from the frozen section at the grocery store. Now you'll want to grab a cup or a can that's about 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. Now go ahead and cut out about 9 to 12 puff pastry rounds. Then go ahead and add those rounds to a well-greased muffin tin. I went ahead and used some softened butter for this process. Now you'll go ahead and take your puff pastry rounds and add those to your muffin tin, making sure that your puff pastries are in there well and you kind of pull some of that pastry up to the top some. Now we're going to set this over to the side and get busy with our filling. To our mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and add 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt. Now we're going to give this a really good whisk until well combined. Now go ahead and add 1 6-ounce can of wild-caught Alaskan pink salmon. This is boneless and skinless. Now make sure you drain that can before you add it to your mixing bowl. Go ahead and add your 2 green onions and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Now go ahead and add 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of half and half. Now we're going to grab ourselves a fork and break up that salmon. Now once that salmon's broken up and your mixture is well blended, we're going to go ahead and grab a big spoon and start spooning in our mix into our puff pastry bowls. Now go ahead and bake these miniature quiches in the oven for approximately 15 to 25 minutes or until golden and the eggs are set perfectly. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye.